Yeah, children. So today we are going to discuss probability. R.D. Sharma, 6 to 21 sums, children. 6 to 21 sums. Exercise 16.1. 16.1, children. Okay. So this is actually this is 10th R.D. Sharma, children, but only for practice and giving for you, children. This is 10th R.D. Sharma. If you do this, you will understand, children. Okay. So sixth sum, children. Sixth sum. Okay, so the card is drawn from the pack of 52 cards. Children, we know where there are 52 cards. Okay, so question is, what is the property of Black King? Black King. What is the property of Black King? Children, I already told you 52 cards, 13, 13, 13, 13. Two blacks are there, two reds are there, children. So in black, king, queen, jack, ace, king, queen, jack, ace, king, queen, jack, ace is common, children. King, queen, jack, ace is common. So black kings are two in number there. So
2
2
by
by
52.
that is 1 by 26.
2
Second
by
question.
50.
Either black or king. Question is either black or king. Either black or king. Either black means 26 blacks are there, children. Total 26 blacks are there. Or king. Already in this two kings are covered. Two more kings are left over. So answer is 28 by 52. That is 2 14s are 2 26s are 2 7s are 2 13s are 7 by 13. 7 by 13. Next question. Black and king he want. He want black and it should be king. He want black and king, children. Compulsory black and king. So black and king, children. No? Okay. It is 26. See, children. 26 blacks are there, children. 26 blacks are there. 26 blacks. And in blacks also, it should be king, he said. Black and king, children. So 2 by 52, that is 1 by 26. Okay, children, either black or king. The black and king. Compulsory black and king, he said, children. So either black or king, anything is okay, means 28 children. But black and it should be king, he said. Only two are the children, black and king. So this is 2 by 52, that is 1 by 26. Next is asking jack, queen, or king. Property of jack, queen, or king. Yes,
Sir, 4 by
this is he mean to say face cards, children. King, queen, jack. King, queen, jack. Three are
Sir,
there.
12 by 52.
Three fours are 12. So 12 by
12 by 52.
2 6 are 2, 26 are 2,
12 by
3 are 2, 13 are. So 3 by 13 children. Next, neither heart nor king. Neither heart nor king.
So you have to separate those two from the whole deck.
Yes, neither heart. Heart should not come. Heart should not come means 13 should not come. And king also should not come. One in hearts, one king is there, okay. Okay, and three more kings are there. How many kings? 1, 2, 3. Plus 3. So 16 should not come. From 52, 16 you remove, children. From 52, 16 you remove. How much it will be, children? 6.
36.
No, 36.
36.
36 by 52, children. 2 18s are 2 26 are 2 9s are 2 13s are. So it is 9 by 13, children. Next, 9 by 13. Try to understand, children. Try to understand. Next question. Spade or ace? Probability of spade or ace. Anything is okay. Spade. How many spades are there, children? 13 will be there, children.
13.
Okay, spades, clubs, diamonds, hearts. So how many spades are there? 13 are there, children. Or ace. In
4.
spades, one ace is over. In spades, one ace is over.
3.
1, 2, 3. So plus 3. That is spade or ace. 26. Sorry. 16 by 52, that is 2 8s are 2 26 are 2 4s are 2 13s are 4 by 13 is the answer. Spade or ace. Next, neither ace nor king. He don't want ace or king. Neither ace nor king. So children, 4 aces are there, 4 kings are there. He don't want 8 cards. If you remove 8 cards from 52, how much it will come, children?
Sir, 44.
44 by 52, that is 22 by 26, 11 by 13. Answer is 11 by 13. Try to understand, children. Next question. Okay. Neither ace nor king. Oh, that one I did, no? Neither ace nor king. Next. Neither red nor queen. Neither red nor queen. He don't want red. How many reds are there, children? 26.
Sir, 26.
And how many extra queens are there? 2.
2, sir.
So he don't want 28 cards. If you remove from 52, 28 cards, how many will be there, children?
24.
24. So answer is 24 by 56. 12 by
52, sir.
12 by 26. That is 6 by 13. So answer is 6 by 13. 6 by 13. Next. Okay, children. So next, what is the probability of spade? Tanmay, are you there? What is the probability of spade, Tanmay? How many spades are there?
13.
13 by
52.
13 by 52. That is 1 by 4. Next, okay. Next, Nandika, what is the probability of
Yes,
black
sir.
card? Black card. What is the probability of blacks?
26 by 52.
26 by 52. That is 1 by 2. What is the next question? Srihita, are you there? Srihita, are you there? What is the probability of 7 of clubs? 7 of clubs. Srihita. Clubs 13 are there. In 13, 1 7 number will be there. 1 7 number. So 7 by 52. Next, Vikram.
Yes, sir.
What is the probability of jack? How many jacks are there?
Sir, 4, sir.
4 by
4 by 52.
that is
13.
1 by 13. 1 by
13.
1 by 13. Yeah. Next. Next. Okay. What is the probability of a queen? Probability of a queen. Anyone? Probability of queen. How many queens are there? 4.
Sir,
So 4
by
4
4 by
by
52.
52.
1 by 13.
1 by
1 by
13.
13. What is the probability of heart?
26 by 52. Sorry.
13 by 52.
13 by 52. 52.
That is 1 by 4.
1 by 4.
What is the probability of red card?
Sir, 13 by
26 by
52.
52.
26 by 52.
26 by 52.
26 by 52. That is 1 by 2. Okay, children, mute your audios. All of you mute your audios. I'll be asking one by one now. You have to say, children. Okay, from next sum onwards. This is how you have to do, children. Sums. This is sixth sum. Entire sum I told. Now seventh sum. Okay, one by one I'll be calling. Rama, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Can you tell seventh sum? In a lottery, 50 tickets are there. 1 to 50 are there numbering. 1 to 50. One ticket is drawn. Find the probability that ticket is a prime number. Can you tell me the prime numbers between 1 to 50? 2, 3, 5, 7. You are not telling, I am telling. 11, 13, 17. Rama, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Tell Nana then. You are not telling. Children, did I miss anything, Nana? Any number I missed, children? Did I miss any number? Children, did I
No,
miss?
sir. No,
No,
sir.
sir.
No, sir.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 15 by 50, that is 5 3s are 5 10s are 3 by 10 is the probability. Next, Rugbed, are you there? Rugbed?
Yes, sir.
A noun contains 10 red balls, 8 white balls. One ball is drawn random. What is the probability that it is a white? What is the probability of white? Probability of white
8
ball.
by 18.
8 by 18, very good. 2 4s are 2 9s are, so mute your audio. 4 by 9. Next. Shanmukh, are you there? A bag contains
Yes, sir.
3 red balls,
Yes,
5
sir.
black balls, 4 white balls. What is the probability of white? Probability of white. 4 by
4 by 12.
1 by 3. You only tell what is the probability of red? You have to say fast, Amma.
3 by 12.
What is the probability of black?
5.
Next, what is the probability of no red? No red. No red means
Sir, 9 by 12.
9 by 12. No red means we should add remaining all. 9 by 12, that is 3 3s are 3 4s are, that is answer is 3 by 4. Next, Kruti, are you there? Kruti,
Yes, sir.
what is the probability that number selected from 1 to 15 is a multiple of 4? Multiples of 4. 1 to 15, Nana.
4, 8,
Okay.
12,
4, 8, 12, that's all. So, 3 by
3 by 15,
3 by 15 is 1 by
1 by 5.
1 by 5. Next, Hansika, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Tell me, Lamson. A bag contains 6 red balls, 8 black balls, 4 white balls. A ball is drawn. What is the probability ball is not black? Not black. Not black.
Uh, 12 by 12 by
10 by
16.
10 by 18. 2
Okay.
5s are 2 9s are. So you should not count. Not black means remaining ball you should add. Hansika, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Tell one more sum. A bag contains 5 white balls, 7 red balls. One ball is drawn at random. What is the probability that is a white? Probability of white?
5 by 12.
5 by 12. Yeah, say one more sum. Hansika. Tickets are numbered from 1 to 20. Tickets are numbered from 1 to 20 are mixed. What is the probability ticket drawn is a multiple of 3 or 7? What is the, tell me the multiples of 3?
3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18,
Tell me multiples of 7?
7, 14,
So how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
6.
8. 8 by 20.
8 by 20.
So how much is the answer? 2 by 5. Next, Sarayu, are you there? Sarayu,
Yes, sir.
tell me 14 sum. In a lottery, there are 10 prizes and 25 blanks. 10 prizes are there and 25 just blanks, means not a prize. Okay. What is the probability of getting a prize? Probability of getting a prize.
10 by 35.
So 2 by 7. 2 by 7. Next. Yashasvi, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Probability of winning a prize is 0.3. What is the probability of not winning a prize? I told you already, probability of winning plus probability of not winning is always equal to 1. Sum of all probabilities is equal to 1.
Yes, sir.
So 0.3 plus probability of not winning is 1. Bring this here. Probability of not winning is 1 minus 0.3. Mute your audio. 0.7.
Sir, can I say this sum?
Yeah, till now, next week. So 14 is over now. Next 15 sum. Who wants to say now? Who wants to say?
Neeraj.
Vikram.
Vikram, tell probability 15 is over 16th now. Vikram 16th sum. A bag contains 5 black, 7 red, and 6 white. What is the probability of white?
Sir, 3 by 15.
1 by 3, 6 by 18.
Okay.
Next, what is the probability of red?
Sir, 4 by 18.
Hey, check. 7 by 18. What is the probability of no black? No black. Ah, no, wait. Oh, 1 second. Okay.
Sir, you said another sum, sir.
Yeah. What is the probability of red? What is the probability of red?
Sir, 7 by 15.
7 by 12 plus 6, 18.
Sir,
Okay.
573, sir.
5, 7, 3 by 1. Okay, now tell. 15, 7 by 15. Next, probability of black or white.
Sir, 8 by 15.
Black or white. Black or white means 8 by 15. Yeah, next. Probability of no black. No black.
Sir, 5 by
Hey,
15.
no black means 7 plus 3, 10.
Okay, sir.
5 2s are 5 3s are. Next. Vikram, tell one more sum.
Okay,
Bag
sir.
contains 4 red balls, 5 black balls, 6 white balls. Okay, ball is, what is the probability of white?
Sir, 6 by 8.
6
6 by
by
15.
3 to the 3 5, so 2 by 5. What is the probability of red?
Sir, 4 by 15.
Okay, what is the probability of no black? No black.
Sir, 10 by 15.
10 by 15 means 5 to the 5 3 is. Next, no black over. Red or white? Probability of
Sir,
red or white?
10 by 15.
10 by 15, that is 5 to the 5 3 is. That's 2 by 3. Neeraj? 18, sir.
Sir.
Neeraj, 18, sir. One card is drawn from well shuffled deck of 52 cards. Find the probability of getting king or red. King or red. How many reds?
King or red? Red are 26, sir.
Extra 2 kings are
That
there. So how much is that?
so that is equal to 28, sir.
28 by 50.
28 by 52. That is equal to 14 by 26. 7 by 12. 7 by 13.
7 by 13. You want it? Next question. A face card. King, queen, jack are face cards. 3 to 4. 4 backs are there. 12. So what is the probability of face cards?
12 by 52.
Yeah. So 3
That is equal to 3 by 13.
3 by 13. What is the probability of red face card?
Red face card, there are 4.
No, 3 into, there are 3 face cards in each pack.
Okay.
So 2 red, 13 means 2 are there. So 6 face cards are there. In diamonds 3, in hearts 3. 3 plus 3, 6.
Okay, sir.
So 6 by 52, that is 2 3s are 226. 3 by
3 by 26.
next, a queen or black. A queen of black. Queen of black. Queen of black. In black, 2 queens will be there.
Yes, sir. 2 by 52. That is equal to 1 by 26.
Okay, next, jack of heart. Jack of heart. Only one jack will be there. So 1 by
Only one, sir. 1 by 52.
1 by 52. A spade.
Spade. 13 by 52. That is equal to 1 by 4.
Next. Okay. So everyone got you. Vivek, tell 19, sir.
Yes,
Five-
sir.
5 cards. A 10 number card. Jack, queen, king, ace are shuffled. One card is picked. What is the probability it is a queen? What is the probability it is a queen? 1 by
Sir, 1 by 5.
1 by 5. Now, if a king is drawn and put aside, how many cards will be there?
4, sir.
4. Now, what is the probability of ace?
Sir, 1 by 4.
1 by 4. What is the probability of king?
1. 0.
0. 0 by 4, 0. Because king is already kept aside.
Yeah, it was taken out.
Next. Who missed the chance children today? Anyone missed the chance? Everyone told? A bag contains 3 red balls and 5 black balls. Okay, Tekshika, are you there? What is the probability of red? Tekshika can't say. Okay, who will done? Nandika, you done? What is the probability of red?
Yes, sir. 3 by 8.
And what is the probability of black?
5 by 8.
5 by 8. 8th class, Nandika, are you there? A bag contains, okay, children, 21st question. 1 to 12. 1 to 12 numbers are there, children. The game is there, which is having chances from 1 to 12. Okay, 1 to 12. Okay. What is the probability of getting a 10 number, children? 10 number? 10 number.
Sir, 1 by 12.
1
1
by
by
12. 1 by 12. What is the probability of getting an odd number?
By 12.
6
1
by
by 2.
12.
In 1 by 12, 6 odd numbers will be there.
1 by
6 even
2.
numbers. Okay. What is the multiple of 3?
3 by 4 by 12.
4 by
4 by 12, 1 by
3.
12.
1 by
What is
2.
it? What is the probability of getting an even number?
So 6 by 12.
1 by 2.
1 by 2. Okay, children. So like this remains. So we'll practice tomorrow, children. Thank you so much.